Aloha and welcome, video viewers. This is Panther, and we are playing Beyond Gravity. Seems to be a kind of fun game. I played just a smidgen of it, but here we go. Frickin' bolts and various machine parts. Ah. Missed that. This is the game. It has one button. Space. If you angle things right... Oh, I should have waited on that one. Wait. Okay. Claim reward. Huh. Didn't know I could double jump. Let's see what we can get. Nothing. Hoo-hoo! Okay. Oh. My sentence exactly. Claim reward. Do a double jump. At least it's not asking me to do a barrel roll. Or an alien roll. Sweet. Oh, that was barely. Oh! That worked. Ah. Ha ha ha! And... Sweet! Oh, now there's obstacles? Whoo! Got that. Got that. Oh! I caught that! Oh. Let's see if I can get anything yet. No. These are some expensive frickin' things. I don't know what the chains are all about, but hey, I'm not gonna care about... Oh! Save myself with that. Haha! Oh, damn. Screws and cogs. Well, I know what to name this episode. It's kind of cool. It's a fun little time waster. Because of how little content there is, let's go ahead and... Yeah, it took me this long to get 3,000, and the cheapest thing is 10,000. Yeah, I won't bug you guys with this one for too long. It's a fun game. I'll go ahead and save my things about it. It's only 2 buttons, and it's a aim and adjust your trajectory and all that fun stuff involving math and smarty pants things. But it's literally just this. Press the button at the right time. Get the proper arc. Because if you get the proper arc, it gives you a multiplier. A multiplier. Not Markiplier. Oh. Okay. We're going to... Let's go ahead and end this. This is a fun little game. It doesn't have a whole lot to it. You can get upgrades for it, but this is definitely... I mean, look at this. Some of the cheapest things are 10 grand, and I've worked this long. Got 4 grand. Let's see how much time we got left. Actually, oh yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and at least buy the 10,000 thing. You know what? Have a goal in mind. They say that's the success, the secret of success. Have goals. Nope. 29. 37? I don't get the... Woohoo! I do not get the other chain thing. Times 3, make it count. Oh yeah. But I lost my multiplier because multiplier. God damn, I've been watching his show too much. Oop! That was an utter failure. I do like the little tidbits, like the little aliens on the planets and whatnot. Oh, I think I get it. The chain is how many, if I jump and get at least 1 bolt, I get that chain for score, I guess. But I have to hit all of them in a row to get the chain multiplier. Oh, that was almost a bad time. There was no way I was getting past that. 5,000, yeah. I think we'll be able to increase the jump speed, which will be very helpful, actually. Oh. Ding, 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 ding. Bing. Oh, I missed. Bing. Ah, damn it. Woo! Oh, that was a weird sound. Yay! More bolts and cogs and parts and stuff. Feels like I'm playing Ratchet and Clank all over again. Oh, I missed that. I do like that the better you do in this one, the quicker you can get parts. Oop, that was almost a miss. There we go. Apparently I get cards for this. Aww. At least I landed on the planet. Wow. There we go. That's what I'm wanting to see. Good arcs. That was a bad arc. Yay! Cool. Yeah. Oh, I jumped the gun. I can't triple jump. No. Here we go again. Play 10 games. Cool. That'll help me get to the goal. I do like that you're not also being forced to like die to get these bolts. They are in the correct arc to get to a planet. So you kind of need to get all the bolts to get to each planet. Oh, I can hold it. Oh, if I hold it long enough, I can cancel the jump. Yeah, that worked. Oh! Cool! The longer I hold it, the stronger the jump. Oh, I missed it. That will help with these things. Oh. Let's see. Boing. I do like the art. The art's kind of nice. Getting a decent amount of bolts. Oh, and they were gold too. Oh. I need to stop jumping the gun and actually take the time to line up the shot. Like that. That's a good shot. That one I barely got right. Oh, I lost the multiplayer, but I still get to get bolts. Cool. No. Damn, I should have let it. Yeah. That was my fault. That was so my fault. There's not much to really say about this game. I mean, it's this. Jump. I mean, there's more jumping involved in this than I think in Mario Brothers. Nah. Actually, you know what? It might be. But it's not a platformer, so... Why do you jump like that? Oh, cool. Collect. Play 10 games, collect 5,000 screws or cogs. Ooh, I'm almost there. One more go. 10,000 is my goal, and I'm 1,000 off from it. I might play this on my own downtime, to be honest. Maybe. Possibly? Definitely. Nah. Oh, I was going good with that. Oh. There we go. And a flaming comet. Oh. Let's try that again. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Oh. Oh. Woohoo! Burn my biscuits. Whoop. But I've already got my goal, so let's go. Reached 500 meters. Spaceship. Upgrade. I now jump faster. And that's the end of the video. Sorry. Well, let's see how it works. Oh, of course I get on the slowest goddamn planet. Okay. Well, that was Beyond Gravity. It is on Steam. It's not too expensive. And it's kind of fun. It's endless, which is a plus and a minus depending on your wanting to do things. It's got some goals. It's got some things to purchase to upgrade your experience. But yeah. So anyway, as always, have fun, be safe, and aloha.